Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning viewers. Welcome back to the channel. This is a tutorial on airdrop. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you'll be getting updates every single time we post. Now, this one we're going to be talking about the Y Nation or the whiteboards. Now, this airdrop seems to be like money dogs. Seems to be like money dogs. Now, this is year 2025. A lot of money is going to be made from crypto. All you need to do is to make sure you are active, very active. You need to be active. Okay, I'm looking at this project and it's going very well. And I think we are going to be having exactly what you have on our dashboard. I don't know yet, but I'm just looking. It depends on how everything turns out. So I just hope so. Alright, before further ado, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Now, to mine this project is very simple, very simple. What you just need to do is to use the link on the description to join, and then once you get to this place, I think you'll be given some number of tokens for joining. And also, here is how this is done. What you need here is the mining phase, and I think it mines for every 6 hours, because if you click on claim it restarts, so it's every 6 hours. And here is the tax. Here's the tax. You can have completed some of the tax here. The most important one is this one. Very important. This one, verify your email. It is very important. You see, you need to verify your email. If you have not done yours, you need to do it really quick. All right, and then which other one? So complete most of the tasks. For every task you complete, you'll be adding 0.5 and plus 5 points to your an hour, to your profit per hour. I mean, should I say profit per hour, or to your mining speed? This mining speed. If you join, currently my mining speed is at 192.284 points. You see, it's going to increase the speed. So for every task you complete, like this one now, invite one activated friend. So in order for you to activate, if you join this bot, and you need to be activated, or else I don't know. And for you to activate it, this is how you need to activate it: by verifying your email. Very important. And if you verify your email, it's going to add plus 150 points per hour, so which is very good. All right, so that is how this that's how you can increase this speed, this farming speed per hour. Very important. All right, so I earn this one per hour, and it works for 6 hours. If you times this one by 6 hours, you see how many of them I get. So if you want to keep on boosting, make sure you complete all these tasks here. Follow them on YouTube, subscribe to the X, join your channel, and the rest. And also, one thing I love about this project is the learning process. Very easy. This is the first one you see while learning. This is an important one. You're going to have a 0.5 to your mining speed, just like what is money, backed money. And I love this stuff. I love this project. You can easily, this is crypto basis. If you're a newbie in the crypto space, and this project, I think you should start with this project. Very good. You can, what is decentralization, how blockchain works, cryptocurrency basis. Currently I'm here. I would have done all this, but because of other activities, I've not been able to finish it. But I'm going to complete, I think, most of them. So it's very good, and this project is very educative. Safety in crypto. So if you want to know more about crypto, you can just come to this learn place. This place that says learn, and then it's a very short video. I think 23 seconds. You are done. So that's it. That's one thing I love about the project. It teaches you what crypto is, and not just crypto, money basics, what is money, online betting, for just like that. So it's very good. If you're new to crypto, I think this project is for you. All right. So like I said, this one is tax. If you want to also invite your friends, just come here, copy your links, I invited only 2 friends. Copy your link. As you can see, activated friends. So these my 2 friends that I've invited. None of them have activated themselves on the board. So what you need to do in order to activate yourself, remember, go and verify your email. Very, very important. Verify your email. All right. And also, this is a roadmap. Very interesting. They launched 16th of August last year. Whiteboard, leaderboard, just like that. Whiteboard roadmap, new design, learning tasks. You see, speed boosts, official website. I think this one is in progress, and also new partners. So this one is also in progress. That is great. So that is all for this project. It's not difficult. Very, very easy. You come every 6 hours to claim your point, or you can also claim it anytime you like. And in order for you to boost your farming speed, just come here and complete these tasks. And also, in addition to it, you can also watch these tutorials, cryptographic basics. If you want to learn what is cryptographic basics, you come here and learn it in no packs like that. So you reach. So thank you once again for staying with us. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also use the link on my description to get started if you haven't, or if you have but you don't know what to do. That is why this tutorial was made for you. So but if you have not yet started, use the link in the description to get started, and see you on our next update. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.